This video is brought to you by Squarespace. What's up guys, we're back with the latest Apple news. We have a brand new iPhone 13 rumor that highlights Apple's master plan to set a new pricing record for the upcoming iPhone. It's got an upgrade that nobody asked for, but it's coming anyways. Some new info on Apple A15 chip, iPhone 12 mini hands-on, foldable iPhone info, more info on Apple's upcoming event that is right around the corner, all will be discussed in this video. Now, for those of you who didn't upgrade to iPhone 12 series this year, the next year iPhone 13 will definitely bring more noticeable changes to the table. One of the big changes that is coming is something that no one asked for, and that is, for the first time on an iPhone, we're gonna see 1 terabyte of storage. With this move, Apple will most certainly cross the $1,500 price for its absolutely maxed out iPhone 13 Pro Max 5G model, whatever the name will be. It's definitely gonna set the record for the most priced iPhone ever. Of course, this move is for the pros. 1 terabyte storage is overkill in my opinion. Like I said, nobody asked for it, but it might be a sign of something incredible coming. Perhaps an 8K video upgrade that we heard a couple of times in multiple rumors. Not just that, for the first time, Apple is rumored to use bigger 64 megapixel sensors on the next year's iPhone model. So yeah, that all points to big upgrades in the video department as well, and which is why 1 terabyte option could be a good selling point. If they want to bring higher storage, they better bring 8K video on the table as well, something to really fill that vast amount of storage. Apple added 256GB storage for the first time on iPhone 7, 512GB storage for the first time with the iPhone XS in 2018, and now if all goes well, we might see 1 terabyte option happening on the iPhone 13 series in 2021. Now, speaking of iPhone 13, we also have some early rumors regarding the Apple A15 processor. The A14 chip has been a good jump over the A13, 20 to 25% performance increase, better efficiency, better neural processing, but the A15 might be an even better jump. Apple is expected to be the first client of TSMC to utilize enhanced 5nm process. Plus, some big GPU gains are expected to happen as well. This chip will ultimately be challenged by Samsung's Exynos AMD chip, which is due to come out in early 2022. Let's see how long Apple can keep its lead. Now, Apple is working on a brand new Apple A14T processor. This is going to be a desktop grade processor for its iMac coming out in 2021. As for this year, according to a new code leak, it's been revealed that Apple could announce 3 MacBook in the event that could happen in the month of November. What's interesting here is that 2 of those MacBooks could have Apple's own processor, the A14X chip. As for the rumor sizes, we have 12-inch, 13-inch, and 16-inch models. Now, before we go further in the news, I want to give a big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Guys, building your online website has never been this easy, all thanks to Squarespace. Squarespace is an easy to use online website building platform that will help you to make a professional website effortlessly. No crazy web skills required. Literally anyone can build a professional website with Squarespace thanks to the vast amount of templates they have, all professionally designed to help you get started. Depending on the type of website you want to create, whether it's an online shop or a blog, Squarespace has got it all. Everything can be created or customized by just dragging or dropping. It's really that simple. And for you guys, I have a special offer. If you check out my special link in the description and use coupon code ZTechGear, you will get 10% off. So go for it, build your professional website now with Squarespace. Now let's talk about the foldable iPhone. It seems like Apple is more and more interested in this next technological era. As we have seen Samsung being the ultimate king of foldables right now, only Apple can truly challenge Samsung's dominance. Out comes a brand new patent that shows that Apple is fully working on a foldable iPhone display. According to this patent, Apple is working on a hard protective layer to protect the foldable display from cracks or dents. The patent describes this as a hard-coat layer that is more durable and sufficient to protect foldable screens from any kind of cracks. Recently, we have seen a surprise increase in the foldable patents from Apple, so this might be a sign that the foldable iPhone might not be too far away. I personally expect something like that to happen in the next 2 years, but let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now, last but not the least, Apple is said to be working on its own search engine. Yes, Apple is looking to replace Google's search engine with its own search engine on their iPhones. They have relied on Google for like last decade, and now they're about to change the game with their own search engine. So that's all the latest Apple news. The iPhone 13 with its 1 terabyte storage option is coming, perhaps in order to accommodate the big gains that are coming with its camera. Of course, with this edition, the price will increase as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.